Hello class 12th. Today I am going to start with this new chapter, that is chapter number 14, biotechnology and its application. Okay. As you know, in the previous chapter we have dealt with the principle and processes of biotechnology. In this chapter we deal with the industrial scale production of pharmaceuticals and biologicals using genetically modified organism. We will also learn how human beings have used biotechnology to improve the quality of human life, especially in the field of food production and health. The application of biotechnology include therapeutics, diagnostic, genetically modified crops for agriculture, processed food, bioremediation and waste treatment and energy production. Now today I am going to start with this new topic of this new chapter, that is transgenic organism. As you know, what is transgenic organism? An organism in which a foreign gene has been artificially transferred is known as transgenic organism. What is transgenic organism? An organism in which a foreign gene has been artificially transferred is known as transgenic organisms. Is known as transgenic organism. What is transgenic organism? An organism in which a foreign gene has been artificially transferred is known as transgenic organism. Okay, a transgenic organism is also called GM. Transgenic organism is also called GMO, stand for genetically modified organism. Okay, genetically modified organism. Okay, genetically modified organism or transgenic organism. Okay, transgene, or it is also called a genetically engineered organism, GEO. GEO means genetically engineered organism. Genetically engineered organism. Okay, genetically engineered organism or also called GEO. What is transgene? Transgene is a foreign gene artificially transferred into an organism. What is transgene? Transgene is a foreign gene artificially transferred into an organism. The transgene is constructed by ligating the foreign DNA into a vector or a carrier DNA, which can then be incorporated into the host DNA and expressed correctly by the host cell. The vector DNA with the inserted DNA fragment is called recombinant DNA. Recombinant DNA क्या होता है? Suppose this is a gene of interest and this is vector DNA. ठीक है, अब इस वेक्टर डीएनए में को हमने क्या करा, कट कर दिया फ्रॉम हेयर, और इस वेक्टर डीएनए में हमने जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऐड कर दिया, दिस वन, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रिकॉम्बिनेंट स्मॉल आर, रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए. दिस इज रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए. ठीक है. नाउ स्मॉल आर डीएनए could also be serve as transgene. A small r DNA is a good example of this transgene and the inserted DNA is also called the cloned DNA. Inserted DNA is also called the cloned DNA, and the process of preparing recombinant DNA technology DNA is called the cloning the DNA. Okay, the preparation of this rDNA is called the cloning DNA. Okay, now next one, that is under transgenic organism. First one is transgenic plant. There are two only organism, a plant and animal. Now first we start with this transgenic plants. First one, transgenic plants. Okay, as you know, during the recent past, several transgenic plants have been produced which are resistant to herbicide, insect, virus, and host of other stresses. Transgenic plants which are suitable for food processing have also been evolved. Transgenic plants are used as bioreactor or factories. Used as bioreactor or factories for production of specialty chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Okay, they are also being used for identification of regulatory sequence of many genes using gene construction with overlapping deletion. Now first one, use of this transgenic plant for crop improvement. Okay, A1, that is transgenic plant for crop improvement. ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट हम क्यों बना रहे हैं? फॉर क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट, ताकि हमारी ईल्ड अच्छी हो. ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट फॉर क्रॉप improvement. Transgenic plant for crop improvement. Okay, transgenes of several plants of economic values are produced for various purposes. These include the tobacco, petunia, tomato, potato, okay, lettuce, and so many, like sunflower, also sugar beet, rye, maize, etc. These transgenic plants have been generated by the introduction of gene which could make them resistant to diseases and herbicide, increase their nutrition value or increase their short storage life. The Bt toxin gene, small that is T is small, represent the species thuringiensis. Bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, name of the bacteria जहाँ से ये टॉक्सिन रिलीज होता है. सो बी रिप्रेजेंट दैट बैक्टीरिया जीनस, दैट इज बैसिलस. स्मॉल टी रिप्रेजेंट हियर, दैट इज thuringiensis, a species. Okay, toxins. ठीक है, टॉक्सिन इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरिया Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, Bt toxin gene of Bacillus gene, that is Bt toxin gene from the Bacillus thuringiensis, that is Bt. Small t represent this thuringiensis. Okay, have been introduced into corn, cotton and potato to make them resistant to insect pest. They encode toxin which act as a pesticide and protect plant against the worm. Tobacco plant is usually used as a bioreactor. Okay, tobacco plant used as bioreactor. Okay, tobacco plant used as a bioreactor as it can be transformed by T-plasmid, tumor inducing. T for tumor, I for inducing plasmid. In previous chapter we studied about this thing. Plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid carrying the gene of interest. A number of genes possible for providing resistance against the stress such as heat, cold, salt, etc. have also been identified and incorporated into a number of plants. For instance, A gene resistant against the chilling was introduced into tobacco plant. This gene is for the glycerol 1-phosphate acyl transferase enzyme from Arabidopsis, which is resistant to chilling. Okay, this gene is for the glycerol 1-phosphate acyl transferase. Underline it in your book also. And this for the chilling. ठीक है, जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ता है तो चिलिंग से प्लांट खराब होता है, तो चिलिंग को ये क्या करता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है प्लांट को फ्रॉम द चिलिंग. ठीक है, चिलिंग रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट बन जाता है. नंबर ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स आर अवेलेबल वेयर ट्रांसजीन प्लांट सुटेबल फॉर फूड प्रोसेसिंग and have been developed as a intense bruise resistant. Tomatoes were developed to express the antisense RNA against the polygalactoronase PG, which attack the pectin in the cell walls of the ripening fruits and then soften the skin. Okay, now transgenic plant in monocotyledonous.